Hello YouTube, today I'm going to teach you how to get Teamfight Tactics mobile game on your Android or iPhone smartphone. You will not need to have a computer running for the game to work. It is purely a mobile game, so I'm going to teach you how to get it. Make sure you watch the full video step by step. I'm going to show you step by step, so make sure you watch all the steps to know how to get it. It's pretty easy, guys, and it will not take you more than a few minutes. So if you want to get Teamfight Tactics on your smartphone, just like I have installed it right here, so do it as I said. The first thing that you need to do is grab your smartphone and go to this website. It's tt.whitegenerator.com. It is tt.whitegenerator.com. Go to this website. The TT stands for Teamfight Tactics. So on this website, you will see that this website has a green lock which says secure connection, so you know it's a secure website. But before I show you how to get the game to your smartphone, I'm just going to show you the full website. As you can see, 926 people on this website. It means everyone is downloading it to their iPhones or Androids. And by the recent activity, you can see that people are actually getting the game. So you know it's real. As you can see, this Android player just got the game. Let's see, another Android player got the games. Okay, so what you have to do, guys, when you end up on this website, again, this is the link. What you have to do is enter your Google Play or Apple Store email. So this website will give the access to the game, but you will download the game from Google Play or Apple Store. So you know it's legit and actually safe. You will not be downloading any random apps from the website. What you have to do is enter your Google Play or Apple Store email. So I'm just going to enter my Google Play email. And don't worry, guys, the site does not ask for the password of your email. And if you're still feeling cautious and sketchy, you can use another email, a fresh email, create a new email just for the whole purpose of getting Teamfight Tactics on your phone. It is up to you. I got the game, so I know it's legit, as you can see. So I'm going to tell you what to do next. When you have entered your store email, just click what device you're playing on. It's either Android or iOS for iPhones and iPads. I'm just going to click Android since it's pretty clear I'm running an Android phone. So just click proceed. And what happens next is the website will make a request with the App Store servers to give you the access to the game because you cannot download it before going to this website. So this process will not take more than a minute, so just give it some time, be patient. As you can see, it's adding Teamfight Tactics. It says human verification required, guys, so it's pretty easy, guys. What you have to do now is prove that the request for the game was generated by a real player, a real user, and not a bot. So it says human verification, you're almost done. Click on the verify now button below to complete human verification. After verification, the game will be added to your App Store account instantly. So you have 10 minutes to verify, but don't worry, guys. I did it yesterday. I got the game yesterday, and the verification part took me like 2 minutes. So as long as you are on your phone and downloading easy apps, you will verify in under just a few minutes. So I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing, when you're ready, just click verify now. And you will end up on the verification page. It says Teamfight Tactics. Complete the human verification by downloading 2 free apps from the list below and running them for 30 seconds. Once you have completed human verification correctly, Teamfight Tactics will be added to your App Store account instantly. You will need to download it from Google Play or Apple Store yourself. So just as I said, guys, this website only gives the access to the game, and you get the game yourself from the Apple Store or Google Play. So it's pretty easy, guys. So now you have to complete the offers to verify you're not a bot. And it's pretty easy, guys. As you can see, loads mobile says, the instructions say, download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content, guys. So what I've done yesterday is I chose 2 apps, run them for 30 seconds, and it took me like 2 minutes. And after that, I just went to Google Play and downloaded the game myself. So It was that easy, and don't worry guys, you will be downloading apps from like Google Play or Apple Store, and if you want you can just delete the games later. It's pretty easy guys, and everything here is free, so don't worry, you will not need to spend anything, or it's just a verification process as you can see. And after you verificate, you will get a Teamfight Tactics mobile version, and it's a full version. It has a few bugs, but it works without problems. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this tutorial, smash that like button. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.